is needed for iron to rust? What we've got here, we've got 5 test tubes. And again, this matches your book or the PowerPoint presentation that I've done. The first one has an iron nail in air. The next one, I put an iron nail, the bottom there, and you can see a layer. There's 2 layers here. There's water and there's oil here. This is boiled water. Now, when you boil water, you remove the dissolved oxygen in it. Anhydrous calcium chloride. Anhydrous means it removes any moisture. So in that tube, there shouldn't be any moisture at all. This one has tap water and this one has salt water. So you make a prediction which one you think will rust more and which ones you don't think will rust at all. And we now leave them for a week. So we come back after a week. This is the nail that's been in air. It's got a little bit of rust in it because you've got moisture in the air as well. A lot of it hasn't rusted, but a lot of it has. So you've got some rust on there. This is the nail that was in the boiled water with the oil on top. No rust. The oil on the top of the water stops any more oxygen dissolving in the water from the air. No rust. Calcium chloride again. Remember I told you that the calcium chloride removes any moisture, so there's no moisture in that tube. No rust on there. Tap water, very rusty. We've lost the shininess of the iron. And the salt water, again, we've lost the shininess of the iron.